How to make Indonesian chicken fried rice. Hey everyone, welcome back to Food and Fun. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Today, we're diving into the flavors of Indonesia with a classic dish, chicken fried rice, or as it's known locally, Nasi Goreng Ayam. This dish is a perfect blend of savory, spicy, and a little bit sweet. It's super easy to make, and I guarantee it'll be a hit at your dinner table. Here's what you'll need. 3 cups cooked jasmine rice, 1 pound chicken breast, cut into bite-sized pieces, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 2 shallots, finely chopped, 2 red chilies, sliced, 1 green chili, sliced, optional for extra heat, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sweet soy sauce, Kit Kat mayonnaise, salt and pepper to taste, 2 green onions, chopped, 2 eggs, scrambled, lime wedges for garnish. Cooking steps. Step 1. Prepare the chicken. First, let's chop the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Season it with salt and pepper. Step 2. Saute the aromatics. In a hot wok or skillet, saute garlic, shallots, and chilies until fragrant. Step 3. Cook the chicken. Add the chicken and cook until it's no longer pink. Step 4. Add the rice. Now, add your cooked jasmine rice and give it a good mix. Step 5. Season. Time for the magic. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. Mix well. Step 6. Add green onions and eggs. Lastly, add chopped green onions and scrambled eggs. Stir until everything is well combined. That's so good. The flavors are just bursting in my mouth. And there you have it, folks, authentic Indonesian chicken fried rice right in your kitchen. If you try this recipe, make sure to tag us on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you in the next video.